Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update for March 16, 2018. And yes, we are on the Windows Insider channel. Well, a interesting extension appeared for Chrome. What it does, it's kind of a data selfie extension. It looks at the interactions you have on Facebook and lets you know who you really are from all of the data that it can find, and lets you also know what Facebook actually knows about you, which might be scary when you think about it. So this is something that I will be looking into today because I am curious of this extension, and who knows, I might have a video about it. If you're on the Windows 10 mobile platform, you've got a cumulative update. It really was released this week. It has bug fixing, security problems that they are fixed here, but also it fixes one of the things that's been plaguing the Microsoft Edge users in the Windows mobile system that prevents you from opening a PDF. So apparently all of that is fixed now. Well, Microsoft wants to make sure that Spectre and Meltdown security flaws never happen again, and it now has upped its amount of money that it's giving for basically finding these bugs. If you find a massive bug, well, $250 could be yours. So why not think about it? Maybe you could, get rich by doing some hacking and trying out, different security flaws, finding security flaws in different Microsoft services and products. Yesterday we talked about Amazon Prime Video streaming service, where it added 9 million new people that wanted to stream shows that actually Amazon has. Well, we also learned today that the Amazon Prime Video streaming service has about 26 million US subscribers that actually follow some of the streaming movies and TV shows. And documents obtained by Reuters. I'm trying to remember how to pronounce it. I think it's Reuters. It's a total of 79 million Prime subscribers that they have right now. Well, a study followed for more than a year adults playing a game called Grand Theft Auto, which is a violent game. And they say that after doing some checks and analyzing everyone, they found absolutely no difference in behavior from people that played this game from people that didn't play violent games. And they say that pretty much it isn't any violent games that's turning people into bad people. It's just the way they are and what happens in their own lives. Do you know how to code? Are you into writing software? Well, apparently it's the most wanted job in IT right now. It's one of the most high paid in the last year, and basically according to an IT work survey, it's badly needed. There's really a lot of coders and a lot of software developers that are needed, and basically if you want a future, you might want to go there. Net neutrality lawmakers. Net neutrality is, of course, the big problem right now, and the lawmakers are telling internet service providers, bring on the lawsuits, as ISPs told states, no, you can't enforce net neutrality if the FCC does not want to. So lawmakers are now saying, no, let's go to court. We're going to see. We're going to let a judge decide. The Linux Foundation wants to be part of the IoT revolution. It says that all the Internet of Things devices out there could be very secure using the Linux basic code, and that it would be the perfect OS to make sure devices stay safe as long as they get updated regularly. Microsoft has a report that came out that's kind of interesting, and it says that by analyzing all the business and people that were using Office 365 products and services, in the last half of 2017, the biggest security problem for pretty much everyone was phishing scams. It also says that it actually noted millions of business PCs are actually infected with a malware that actually creates a botnet, meaning that basically they can actually do denial of service attacks and so much more. So it's very interesting to see this happening. And this was the Tech News Update for Friday, March 16th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.